we have some practicing here. So I will run the code in a main file and you will see result. Okay, so I will run it and here we have results. And now it's up to you to write the code in main.py to see the results like this. So you will use 4 prints, 1, 2, 3, 4. This last line or the last string is one print. Okay, so here has to be something to create a new line. So this is an ordinary string. This is a string with double quotes in it. So you need to think about it, how to write it. This is absolutely the same, but it's opposite, because in the string we have single quotes here, and this is one print. Okay, so you have to find out how to create the new line here. Okay, that's it. So now you can pause the video and try that, and in a few seconds I will show you result. Okay, I hope you finish it, and it can see, or it can be something like this. Okay, so now here we have a normal string. Here we have a string which double quotes are in the string, so you need to use single quotes at the beginning and in the end. Here we have the third print, so it means if there are some single quotes in the string, so you need to use double quotes, okay, at the beginning and in the end. And here is the most important thing is the sign of a new line. Okay, so slash and n. Okay, so that's it. I hope you were successful.